Collier, and today I will be talking about trig derivatives, the chain rule, and law of function. So first we have trig derivatives. We have f of x equals sine x times tangent x. So since we have two functions being multiplied, we know that we would be using the product rule. So we have I Okay, so we bring the sign down, and then the derivative of 10x is secant squared x. We bring the tangent down, and the derivative of sine x is cosine x. And that would be your final answer. Now we have another example for trig derivatives. In this one, we will be using the quotient rule. So as you know, the quotient rule is bottom times the derivative of the top minus top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. So what we have is 1 plus sine x times the derivative of cosine x minus cosine x times the derivative of 1 plus sine x all over 1 plus sine x squared. Okay, so you bring your 1 plus sine x down, and the derivative of cosine x is sine x, negative sine x. Gotta remember to put the negative. So, have to make sure you know your 6 derivative functions of these. One is cosine x, and then the derivative of 1 plus sine x is just cosine x, because the derivative of 1 is 0, so you don't really need to include that. So cosine x all over 1 plus sine x squared. Okay, and so we have two common terms, so we can add those together. A negative times a positive is a negative. So x minus these two like terms, cosine split x all over 1 plus x squared, and that would be your answer. So with the chain rule, you use it when you have more than just x. So the formula for that is F times G of x to the first will break down into F to the first times G of x times G of x times x. Okay, so now we have the chain rule. So our first example is p equals square root of 3 by t. So first we have to change this radical. So we change it to p minus 3 minus t is the function that we will be using. So next step is cover this up. Now you're going to bring your exponent down to the front. So you have 1/2. And then whatever's in your parentheses, that's what you're going to put behind the exponent. So you have 3 minus t. And then you're going to subtract 1 from your exponent, which will just be negative 1/2. Then you're going to take the derivative of whatever's in your parentheses. Bring that down. So this is the chain rule. This is how it looks. So now we're going to bring this down. I have 3 minus t. Then we're going to take the derivative of 3 minus t. The derivative of 3 is 0, so we don't have to write that. And then t is the same thing as 1. So we're just going to put negative 1. So then our next step is to bring, you have to make sure you bring your numbers for constant to the front. So negative 1 times 1/2, that would be negative 1/2. 3 minus t to the negative 1/2. And that would be your answer. Okay, so for our next example, we have e to the negative 5x. So this is also considered a chain rule. So we have e to the negative 5x. And what we have in our parentheses, we're going to take the derivative of that, bring it down. So we have the derivative of negative 5x. So that's our function that we're using. And so we just bring this down, make it e to the negative 5x. Then the derivative of negative 5x is just negative 5. So we have negative 5. And then we bring, and like in our last example, we bring this number to the front. So we're left with negative 5 e to the negative 5x. And that's the answer. Okay, now we have log function. And with log functions, you always have to remember that the derivative of a natural log x equals 1 over x. So with this example, we have y prime natural log of t squared. So we have 1, and instead of putting the x at the bottom, we're going to bring this t squared and put it at the bottom. Okay, then you're going to take the derivative of your t squared. So now we have y prime. We're going to bring down this 1 t squared. The derivative of t squared, going to bring your 2 down to the front and put the t at the back. So now this is times. You can put it in parentheses, or you could just put the multiplication sign. And 2t times 1, because this is a part of your numerator. That's the same as saying that. So now we have 2t over t squared, and we have 2 t's in the denominator, 1 t in the numerator, so we can cross one of these out with one of these, and so now we will be left with 2 over t as our final answer. Thanks watching my video. The end.